In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS in Elementor. Start by opening the Elementor editor and selecting the element you want to style. In my case, I have an HTML block on the page that contains some code, and I want to customize its design using CSS. There are two methods for adding CSS, one available if you have Elementor Pro, and another if you are using the free version of Elementor. I will explain both. If you have Elementor Pro, the process is straightforward. Select the element you want to style and open the Advanced tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Custom CSS option. Expand the box, then type or paste your CSS code directly inside. As soon as you enter your code, you will see the design changes applied instantly to your element. This allows you to have full styling control right within the Elementor interface. If you are using the free version of Elementor, you will need to add your CSS through the WordPress dashboard. To do this, go to the dashboard, hover your mouse over Appearance on the left-hand menu, and click on Editor. Inside the editor, click on the search icon at the upper left-hand side and type in Custom CSS. Select the Additional CSS option from the results. This will open a dedicated CSS box where you can paste your code. Once added, click Save at the top right-hand corner and confirm by clicking Save again. After saving, open your website and refresh the page. You will see that the custom CSS you added has been applied successfully, and your selected element now displays with the new design. And this is how you can add custom CSS in Elementor.